CIET NCERT presents the series Singing the Poem. Under this series, let us listen to the program The Crow.
Hello, children.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. I am fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, Vanya. All right. So, children, today I'm going to share something with you. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All right. You all know that pets are special members of our family, isn't it?
Yes, pets are so lovely.
Right, Soham?
Ma'am, I have a dog. It loves me so much.
Riddhi, that's very good. But how do you know that your dog loves you?
Ma'am, when I come back home,
Hmm?
it leaps and jumps around
Oh.
me with happiness.
Wow, that's good. And what about you, Navya?
Ma'am, my dog shakes its tail at me.
Oh, that's lovely. You have a very nice dog. I'm very happy that you love pets. All right. What about you, Lavish?
Ma'am, when I come home, my cat jumps and sits on my lap.
Oh, that's so exciting, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, we spoke about our animals. What about birds? Do you like birds?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name some birds?
Sparrow.
Okay, Vanya. Good. That's a beautiful small bird. Okay, Soham, you tell.
Peacock. It dances so well. It looks so pretty.
Yes, peacock is a colorful bird.
Ma'am, parrot.
Oh, yes. Parrot is a mimic bird. But, children, you have missed a bird. Do you know which bird is missing? Any guesses? Okay, I'll give you a clue. It calls.
Crow.
Absolutely right. Children, I remember a lovely story of a crow. Would you like to listen?
Yes, ma'am. It will be fun.
So, I'll narrate the poem. Repeat after me. There once was a crow.
There once was a crow.
He was black.
He was black.
As you know,
As you know,
how to be beautiful.
how to be beautiful.
He wanted to know
He wanted to know.
colorful feathers.
Colorful feathers.
He wanted to grow.
He wanted to grow.
He found one peacock feather.
He found one peacock feather.
He stuck it
He stuck it
in his tail.
in his tail.
Then he found another.
When he found another,
He picked up
he picked up
all without fail.
all without fail.
He stuck them
He stuck them
in his wings.
in his wings.
Put one on his head.
Put one on his head.
I am now beautiful.
I am now beautiful.
He danced and said.
He danced and said.
The other crows
The other crows
laughed at him.
laughed at him.
Oh, what a fool you are!
Oh, what a fool you are!
You are beautiful in black.
You are beautiful in black.
We love you
We love you
for what you are.
for what you are.
So, children, now listen to the same poem in a lovely song.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There once was a crow. He was black, as you know. There once was a crow. He was black, as you know. How to be beautiful he wanted to know. Colorful feathers he wanted to grow. How to be beautiful he wanted to know. Colorful feathers he wanted to grow. There once was a crow. He found one peacock feather. He stuck it in his tail. He found one peacock feather. He stuck it in his tail. Then he found another. He picked up all without fail. Then he found another. He picked up all without fail. There once was a crow. He stuck them in his wings, put one on his head. He stuck them in his wings, put one on his head. I am now beautiful, he danced and said. I am now beautiful, he danced and said. There once was a crow. The other crows laughed at him. Oh, what a fool you are! The other crows laughed at him. Oh, what a fool you are! You are beautiful in black. We love you for what you are. You are beautiful in black. We love you for what you are. There once was a crow. There once was a crow. There once was a crow.
Now, children, tell me, what did you learn from this poem?
Ma'am, all colors are beautiful.
Oh, yes. Now, let's have a little game. I'll name the bird and you will tell the color of that bird. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. The bird is parrot. Tell me the color.
Ma'am, green.
Right. Now, Soham will tell.
Green. Yes. It is green. Yes.
Right. Now, listen to the sound of parrot. The next bird is sparrow. Now, tell me the color. Who will tell? Navya, Vahanya, Soham. Lavish.
Ma'am, brown.
You're right. Sparrow has mostly 3 colors: brown, white, and
Black.
right.
Crow is also black, ma'am.
Yes, black is a beautiful color. And now listen to how crow sounds. Now you all know about the sounds of birds. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, did you like the poem?
Yes, ma'am. We loved it.
Okay. And the song and the little game of birds?
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's clap for each other. Yay!
The Crow. You were just listening to this program. Program coordinator, Professor Rajendra Pal. Technical coordination, Bati Langlingdo. Artist, Shalini Singh. Child singer, Angel. Child artists, Navya, Soham, Lavish, Vanya and Riddhi. Music composition and guidance, Ajit Horo. Sound recordist, Mayank Kumar. Assistance in production, Minakshi Kukareti. Directed and produced by Vimlesh Chaudhary. Dear friends, if you want to give your feedback on our programs, you are most welcome. Contact us on our toll-free number 8800 440 559. We may be contacted as well on our email address. Our email ID is audio@ciet.nic.in. This program was brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.